In Wilmington, the Good Shepherd House is experiencing an uptick in the number of people who need groceries to feed their families.
WAY's Celeste Smith joins us now live in the studio with more. Celeste, do they know what's driving this sudden need for food right now?
Hi, Jeff and Hannah. The Good Shepherd Center began its grocery service program nearly 2 years ago at the beginning of the pandemic. With food costs on the rise, the agency says they've seen more people seeking their help. The grocery giveaway through the Good Shepherd Center's Second Helpings program is free and open to the public, and no ID is required. The center gives away bags of groceries every Wednesday from noon to 1 p.m. On average, they see around 40 cars per week, but on its busiest days, has had as many as 100 cars line up for help.
We see more later in the month than in the early weeks when folks have gotten their food stamps and they have enough to go shopping in the stores. Certainly we have seen an increase in some donations of meat from our grocery partners, maybe because folks can't afford to buy that, so that's food that's getting donated, and then of course we pass it on.
The Good Shepherd Center also says it saw consistent numbers from residents before the increase in food costs, with many people also being impacted financially by the cost of living and additional costs with children home during summer break.
A lot of these folks without this food giveaway wouldn't have things to eat, or maybe they just have enough food at home to feed their children, and this is what's going to feed mom and dad. So yeah, there's a lot of gratitude that comes out of every car. There was a woman who had her grandchild's birthday and didn't have a birthday cake and was so excited that we had a sheet cake that said happy birthday on it.
Grocery bags distributed by the Good Shepherd Center are filled with fresh produce, bread, and non-perishables. Any food not distributed on Wednesdays is given to other local organizations with food banks and pantries to distribute.